Hello everyone, what is up? It's your girl, Saucy K.
Young niggas ain't ready for this, but you bout to get it. I'm Vegeta nigga with some Dragon Balls. I'm an animal, more like King Kong. Y'all niggas get it wrong. I make hits on hits where I never miss. I'm very smooth when I hit a lick. I get it going, you a pessimist. I don't give a fuck, I just hit a dip. My homies taught me that a trick is shit. She don't pay the bills, she don't write the songs, she don't do the things to get paid. She just tryna get down and get laid.
Hi guys, what is up? My name is Swazi and welcome to my channel. This is a happy space, a safe space, a creative space where there are no limits and ideas are not put in a box. I think I have the box yet and we have a lot of fun. If you are new, welcome. Hello, what's up? What's good? And if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. For today, we are going to be doing a newspaper inspired shoot. I am going to, well, I already did, but I'm going to show you guys. I pushed newspapers all over, two sides of the wall and on the floor because I wanted a flowy, falling vibe, which works for me. And I'm going to be taking pictures and I'm so excited. So what inspired me with the shoot was I don't know, I was like, let me hang newspapers all over and take it like shoots. Actually, let me just be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna come with a deep story and be like this and this happened, who inspired. No, I just wanted to have a newspaper inspired shoot. And I wanted a retro, I wanted a fun, creative, vibey kind of aesthetic look with the newspapers. Sadly, South Africa does not have the best newspapers. And with the coronavirus happening, there are masks on almost every newspaper because the only hotshot news that's going around, which is sad. But you know, we move, we work with what we have and we create because that's what we do here. That's what we do here. Yes, yes, yes. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please watch it till the end. I'm going to be working with different angles and stuff, and we are all going to have so much fun. So before I carry on rambling, let me start. And the first position will be here. So first things first, I had to show the basics of how I created my scene. I just stuck newspaper all over the wall with press stick and random newspapers to create my newspaper wall. This took me about an hour and it was very time consuming but worth it at the end because we do it for the content, right? Shoes. I forgot where I got them, I'll tell you, but I don't know. I'm wearing stockings underneath because I wanted my skin to be smoother and I got a color that blends with my skin. And then I'm going to be wearing this bodysuit because I'm going to be doing a photo shoot and this gorgeous jacket that I took from my cousins because that's how I live. And let's begin. much fun, but my body hurts. I decided to go jogging, I don't know when, so my whole body hurts. But we do it for the content, right? Sorry about that. I needed a breather. I need a coffee because I've been up for the longest time and it's getting late and I'm sleepy, but I want to finish. So let's carry on. I forgot how to pose. I really hate this part. Should I do a close-up? Done. I hope you guys liked the video. Try these ideas out at home. Let's see what you guys came up with, and if you guys have any ideas you'd like me to try out, hit me up and I'll see if I can do that. And yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, and have a beautiful, blessed week, and always stay beautiful and kind. Signing out, Smoothie K, and I will see you guys next week.